A couple of weeks ago, I tried YouTube Shorts channel with AI, and believe me, if you are really lazy to create engaging shorts, this video is for you. Even if you have no laptop, you can still create these type of shorts in just 2 or 3 minutes using your device and the secret AI tool that I am going to be sharing today. This channel is making thousands of dollars by just uploading these type of easy AI-made shorts. If you're ready, let's go! Without further ado, let's get into the formula. First work that we are going to do is branding. Don't overthink branding. Just whip up a simple logo and a banner using Canva or your favorite design tool and upload them to your channel profile. For my channel, I kept it super easy. I used an anime boy picture I found on Pinterest. You can do the same if you want. Second work that we are going to do is channel settings, SEO. This is the most important step in your journey. If your channel doesn't gather enough relevant data for Mr. Algorithm, guess what happens? Your content will get shown to unrelated viewers, and they'll tank your performance metrics like AVD, average view duration, and swipe rate. So, how did my second video gain so many views so quickly? It's simple. I nailed the exact keywords in the title and made the video slightly longer than most other shorts. These small optimizations can make a massive difference. Pro tip, always aim to upload longer shorts, but only if your content is engaging enough to keep viewers hooked until the very end. The longer they watch, the better your AVD, and Mr. Algorithm will reward you with more visibility. Here are the exact settings I used. Feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. Oh, I almost forgot to share the niche that I chose for my channel. After my first experiment, I dove deep into research, scrolling endlessly in incognito mode, but finding nothing promising until I stumbled upon this short.
Where do you live with my parents? Where do your parents live? With me, right. And where do you all live together? Where is your house?
It was so simple, clear, and packed with value. Surprisingly, I found only 2 channels doing anything similar. The competition is practically non-existent, so I thought, why not give it a shot? Let's see where this takes us. And just like that, we've successfully completed the channel setup. The AI tool I mentioned earlier is Opus.Pro, and it's a powerful tool, widely used to generate stunning captions in just minutes. It's exactly what we need to craft our first viral short. Now let me show you how easy it is to use. Step 1, find viral comedy skits. Search for trending and engaging comedy shorts from well-known creators. These are well-known comedy and skit creators. Make sure to check them out. While choosing shorts, focus on content that aligns with your theme and has strong viewer interactions, such as likes, comments, and shares. Step 2, download the required media. You can use Cobalt tools to download media from various platforms. This tool is reliable and supports multiple formats for easy access. We need only audio, choose this button to download, and move on to editing phase. Step 1, select an engaging background. To maximize viewer retention, choose a dynamic background for your video. For instance, using gameplay from a popular game like GTA 5, or this game can keep viewers hooked. If you need ready-to-use copyright-free background clips, feel free to access them for free on my Telegram channel. Step 2, import into editing software. Open your preferred video editor. CapCut is a great choice, available for both PC and mobile. The user-friendly interface makes the process simple. First of all, drag the background video and audio file onto the timeline. After simple editing, just export it. Now let's move on to Opus.Pro. Just upload your short and it will create dynamic text overlays that enhance readability and keep your audience engaged. Wait a little and congratulations, your first short is ready. Move on to the last step. First day we uploaded one video and got no views for hours and hours. Don't worry, this is completely normal for a new channel. After 22 hours, this video started to get some views. First, I will show all shorts 24-hour performance. Here you can see the VVSA is actually extremely low, but anyways, it must change after time passes because this video actually didn't find its right audience. But retention rate is actually good. It is kind of flat and we need flat engaging retention line. Overall, 105% retention. This is actually good. In the next day, we upload a new short with new formula. It was kinda engaging and kinda a bit longer. Here you can see the analytics. This short didn't push to wider audience in 24 hours. From these less views, we got only 7 subscribers. When it comes to shorts, that's usual sub to view ratio. But if we take a closer look into VVSA, it is 60%, and this is not something that we expected. Anyways, it must get some more views in the upcoming days. Why am I so confident? Here you can see the average view duration is cooked. It is a great sign. For a short that is 37 seconds, having 99% retention is completely mind-blowing. I will guarantee this video will escape 10K jail and even 15K jail. Now let's move to the next short. Here you can see in the 3rd day, we've got our first better performing short compared to others. As usual, we got almost no views for 6 hours, and then it started to promote it more. In my opinion, YouTube will decide to give you views after several uploads. As you can see, here we've got 23 subscribers. I don't know what you are thinking, but this is less. If we go deep into analytics, here we can see VVSA is not good. We had better improve hooks and some visuals to keep viewer in our upcoming shorts, but average view duration is nice. In my opinion, having 100% retention is not enough for a short that is only 15 or 20 seconds. Or maybe we had better maximize both metrics. In the 4th day, here what we've got. I think the seeding audience process is taking place with my channel. What I mean is just YouTube is testing different audience to show my shorts. I have experienced these kind of testings before going crazy viral on other channels. Believe me when I said it is completely normal for a new channel. If we take a closer look into reach part, here we can see the proof why this video didn't get that much views. If you really want to reach millions of views with shorts, you have to focus on retention and swipe through rate. It is hard to get 80% swipe through rate, but if someone did that, why can't you? Day 5 was a bit normal, and here as you can see, we have got 3,000 views in the first 24 hours. Along with that, this video gained 9 subscribers. Make sure to stick around because I will show you all 7-day results in the end. Finally, on day 6, we have got our 8,000 views for this short. I am really surprised and expecting more and more views. All the time when I upload a short, it will get more views during some time and gets flatlined. Did you ever experience this kind of issue with yourself? If yes, write further about it on the comments. I will reply as soon as possible. Take a look at the average view duration. Having 31-second average view duration for a short that is 26 seconds is a great sign. Now it is time for our last short results. As time passes, every short I have uploaded got more and more views, and I am going to reveal all of them after this short. By the way, as soon as 7 days finished, I have made all videos private. I just wanted to see what to get during just 7 days. As you can see, we have got 5 views in the first day, and then 700 views. After that, our channel was getting more and more views. Consistently getting views is not easy for someone who posts inconsistently. Here you can see views are going crazy. Majority of those views came from my best performing video, and now let me show you that one. And next day, we got 4,000 views. This video was performing good just because it has high retention. This flatline was not supposed to happen if I continued challenge. Thanks for watching and see you next time.